Hi foodies, welcome to MellowBites. I'm Deepa. Are you in a hurry and you want to finish your breakfast and lunch with just one curry? Here we are with a new episode, Curry in Hurry. We are going to make just one curry that will suit for your breakfast and lunch and finish off your kitchen work very early. In this first episode of Curry in Hurry, we are going to make aatu kaal paaya or goat leg paaya, a typical South Indian curry that's really great for your breakfast and lunch. It's very healthy and tasty. Let's get into the recipe.
To a pressure cooker, add 2 portions of goat legs that's cut and cleaned well. Now to it add adequate salt, a teaspoon of chili powder and turmeric. Turmeric is one integral spice in Indian cooking, especially added to every meat dishes. Let's add in a cup of water to it. Cover the cooker and pressure cook for 25 whistles. Goat legs take a longer time to cook. So once the pressure goes off, open the lid and poke it with the knife and ensure the meat has been cooked really well. To a clay pot, add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add a cup of chopped shallots with 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Shallots gives an intense flavor to this curry. If you don't have shallots, you can add onions. Now saute it well until it turns nice translucent. It's time to add turmeric and mix well. You can skip adding it since we have added already to the meat. Add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it thoroughly until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Add 1 big tomato chopped well and let's add this now. Mix well. It's time to add all the spice powders for the aatu kaal paaya or goat leg paaya. Here we are adding 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Let's slightly mix it out so that the masala doesn't get stuck in the bottom and add in a teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well and make sure the tomato turns mushy. Now transfer the cooked goat legs along with the stock of water from the cooker. You can add water according to the consistency of the gravy you prefer to have. Here I am adding a cup of water. Once it comes to a boil, cover it with the lid and cook in simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, see how beautifully it's been cooked. This curry is really healthy and yummy as well. Let's garnish it off with few chopped curry leaves and pepper. This aatu kaal paaya is great to have along with idli or dosa or aapam for your breakfast, and it's equally yummy with rice for your lunch. So here we go with the super yummy aatu kaal paaya for your breakfast and lunch.
Hope you guys loved this aatu kaal paaya or goat leg paaya recipe. Do try it out and let us know how it turned out. We'll keep posting more such curry and hurry recipes that would help you for your breakfast and lunch and make your work easier. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Meet you next video. Bye.